You can add a video to your web page from YouTube, Vimeo, custom, which is hosted, or an external URL. Go to Add Elements, and under the Media, you bring in your video element, click, hold, and drag, and drop it where you want it on the page. There's a link by default. We're going to interact with it by clicking on it, and then you see we get the Options toolbar. Note that this time, though, that you have these handlebars at the corners, which you can click, hold, and drag to resize it very easily. And then you also have the same settings under your Settings tab, where you can also drag it from percentage or put it in pixel. Let's have a look at the video options. Go all the way to the left. And like I've mentioned, you have YouTube, Vimeo, custom video, and URL. Let's look first at YouTube because the rest will be more or less the same. Another option that you have here is to set the ratio in which you would like it to be on your page. In most cases, especially for web pages, and if you're taking it from a source like YouTube, 16:9 would be kind of your default. Let's switch out the link. You go to your YouTube video, find the share button, and then copy the link. Go back, select this, and copy your new link. Under the Advanced tab, you get options that will control how the video will display. You can disable things like the controls, branding. You have autoplay, muted the video from the beginning to loop the video, lazy load options, privacy mode, and then you can even determine the suggested videos. This is of course for YouTube, and enter the start time in seconds. And if you want the video to end at a specific time, also in seconds. Many times when you bring in a video, you would not like the thumbnail that appears here. And in those cases, you can design your own cover. When you do so, a play button will appear that you can style out. And if you want to, also play around with filters. You have colors like the background, a border, and a shadow. And then if you do resize the video, you get that option to align it to the left and the right. And that's really all there is to the video element. To have a quick look at the others with Vimeo, you will find the controls for your Vimeo, custom URL. Here you will upload your file, and then advanced, you have the settings like your controls, the size, and again, things like autoplay and muted. And finally, you have the URL link, which you will paste in here. Currently, it's a YouTube link. You'll bring in your own, and then there are the advanced options with the same like cover filters. And naturally, if you go to settings and styling, you have your padding, margins, even corners if you want to apply a little bit of a rounded effect to your video.